Hey, hi viewers, welcome back to the MultiMagix channel. Myself is Funny.
Yeah, this is Rishikesh.
Hey Rushi, how are you?
I'm good, Funny. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yes,
It's been a while. You have been
yes,
part of the videos.
yes, actually. That's true,
uh,
actually.
okay. I think you're taking care of developing and designing UI for a product
Mm-hmm.
for multiple platforms, I believe, correct?
Yes, exactly, Funny. Like, from the
Mm-hmm.
past 3 to 4 weeks onwards,
Mm-hmm.
my main focus was only on UI, basically.
And
So,
of course, on the
yes,
integration layers, we worked
yes,
as a team.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So, like, you are working on the back end, so I was
Mm-hmm.
working on the UI, so we need to integrate. So, yeah, guys,
Yes.
we both are working simultaneously on the backend and the front end part. So, and
Correct.
at the same time, we both are working, like what do you say?
Yeah, as a team, we are
As
working.
a team, we are working for while integrating the backend to the front
Correct.
end. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. So let's start today's video is actually what we are telling to our viewers. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the next slide we can just jump on. Yeah. Yeah, viewers. So today we are very excited and we are kind of a major milestone we achieved in this
Exactly.
Multimagix product. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
from end to end, let's say from checking out the sources and then building it on the build machine
Yes.
and then generating all the necessary applications and all the and after that after generating all the necessary targets we integrated it together and then we tested it.
Yes.
So end to end from scratch we are able to do it cleanly on a build machine and we are able to achieve that for the Android platform and for the
Mm-hmm.
iOS platform
Mm-hmm.
and reasonably to an extent to the other platforms.
Yes.
So today we'll be providing wait VR in those terms and also we'll be providing some details on how to use our app in different platforms. And
Yes.
also there is some news for the viewers where you can provide the feedback for us.
Yes.
Yeah, on that note, yeah, I think Rishi, you're also excited, I think.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm very excited in this video. Like the
Yeah, yeah.
content which we are going to display in this video. Yeah.
Correct, correct,
Yes.
exactly.
Yes.
So yeah, let's move on to the yeah viewers. In the last video I mentioned that Multimagics as a team we are progressing good and then our main target is to achieve this product to multiple platforms. So
Mm-hmm.
today we'll be discussing where we are on that. See, as you know, currently this Multimagics product is available in Android
Yes.
as a part of Play Store. You can download the app and then you can use the app. See the download links or the Play Store links will be
Yes.
provided in the video in the comment section, or you can go to Play Store and then just type Multimagics. It will come up. You can install and you can play with it.
Yes.
And what about iOS, Rishi?
Yeah. In iOS, like we built the app and we tested it, but we kept in test flight for now. Like to be precise, in the beta testing mode.
Mm-hmm.
So later we'll upload that to release version. Like we'll release that in the App Store.
Oh,
So yes, but
great.
we can also invite users in the beta testing. Like yeah, users, viewers,
Mm.
feel free to like ping your email in the comment section. We'll add you as our testers, and so that way you can test our app in the app which is in the beta testing.
Correct,
Yes,
correct. Even for Android, also, if you want anyone, I mean, of course, for Android, it's readily available in the Play Store. There's no nothing
exactly,
beta stage.
exactly.
Yeah. And for Ubuntu, actually, front end is done
Yes,
and back end is also ready. But
yes,
in the integration layer, we are seeing few issues.
yes, yes,
We will be resolving that, and in the maybe in the next couple of days or
yes,
within a week, we'll try to up for that particular platform also.
exactly.
So the UI remains same for the all the platforms.
Yes.
So now what about Mac OS X, Rushi?
Yes, in the Mac OS X, the core functionality, like we are focusing on converting a video file to AAC file in the first version, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that part is done for Mac OS X. But
Mm-hmm.
like for testing, we are creating some build packages. But to publish that Mac OS X app, you
Mm-hmm.
need to create the production version of the app.
Okay, okay, got
So
it, got it. So there are some
exactly,
packaging things you need to take
yes,
care of, and
yes,
we'll be looking into that in the coming days. Great,
Exactly.
great.
So what left is, packaging the app for the production version is
Mm-hmm.
left.
I
Yes,
got
that's
it.
all.
Got it.
The rest is all done for
Correct,
macOS.
correct.
Yes,
And for Windows, actually, there is a bit more to done. So
exactly,
after addressing the Ubuntu and Mac OS X issues, we'll be moving on to the Windows. So
exactly.
overall, actually, as a team, we feel this particular video. Through this video, we want to communicate to all the viewers and subscribers. Once again, we as a Multimagix product, we are into different platforms now. It is
Yes,
available in the Play Store. It is available. It will be readily available in the App Store in the coming days
yes,
once the
yes,
beta testing is passed,
yes,
and we are making it the product ready for the different desktop applications too.
yes, yes.
So yeah, stay tuned
And
for the more
and coming
updates
to
on the.
Windows, there's a small update. Like the front end part for both, like for desktop applications, is the same.
Right,
So
right, right.
I think so. Like in Windows, the progress is, let me put it this way, like the UI or the front end
Hmm.
which we have for macOS and Ubuntu. With some
Yeah,
minimal changes, we can also
got it, got
like
it.
finish that in Windows.
Yeah, but the major
Yes.
challenge
But
apart
the
from
major challenge apart from that UI part is we need to integrate our backend.
yeah integrating
Yes.
backend as well as the libraries of FFmpeg, we need
FFmpeg.
to ensure it should build
Yes.
from source rather than the pre-built. So we
Exactly.
need to
Exactly.
figure out
Yes.
a way for that
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
Yeah, Ruchi. So
So
on this note, we'll go to the next slide, and then we will start now the how to use our app in different platforms, and we'll be giving a short demo of our
yes.
product in each platform.
Yes.
Okay. So as we mentioned, let's start the demo on the Android platform. So as I mentioned, it is available in the Play Store. So this is the app name MultiMagix, and you can download. So I already installed on my target. This is my target phone. So this is the Android device. So this is a ARM processor, and I have installed this MultiMagix app on this particular Android. And our app also supports for different architectures of the Android, like x86 64 and other platforms too. So now I'm opening the app MultiMagix. So this is the home page. By default, there are no files associated with this app. So first we need to go to the files tab here.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, the screen is empty.
Mm-hmm.
And then you need to add the files from the gallery. It means from the device. So this is all the native device. So you don't need to download anything. So for example, I am selecting this video. This is a 52 seconds
Mm-hmm.
video on the type is MP4. So now I need to go to the tools section again. So I'm here. I'm going to select from my tools. So
Mm-hmm.
now I came to the home page. So now I select the again convert video. So now that is added here. I can see here the video is playing here. So now we have, yeah, I'm pausing this for a second. So for now, as we mentioned, we have one specific feature in this product where
Mm-hmm.
you can convert an MP4 video into an ASC format. So our, as we mentioned, our main aim is to give one simple feature which is up and running in all the platforms rather than
Yes.
first building all the features and then struggling in the platform. We want to start ensuring that this feature for all the platforms, and then we'll come back adding keep on multiple features soon. So
Exactly.
now this MP4 file I have selected, I will be doing convert here. So now the actual conversion happened. So now this converted file will be in this particular folder, and
Mm-hmm.
then if you want to
It's
listen
7
back,
o'clock.
you can play here and there will be play option, and
Yes.
you play here. Okay. Now as you can see, I'm just playing it. Yeah, you can now you can able to hear. Now I am closing the audio. So now there is a you can also share this particular converted file to your different platforms. I mean to your different social media things, and also
Mm-hmm.
you can download this file to the USB. Such way you can use it. Okay.
Yes.
You
Yes.
can download USB, you can download locally using commands, or you can share it whatever way you can use this file.
Yes. Yes.
So this is about our MultiMagix app, how to use, and then on the Android platform. So
Yes.
we started with simple UI, and thanks Sonu, thanks Rushi for
Yes.
making this wonderful UI. It looks cool and good. So I hope a lot
It's a
of
teamwork, Sunny. It's a
products.
teamwork.
Yeah.
A teamwork.
So down the line, we'll be adding lot of features and
Yes.
lot of things on this Android platform.
Yes.
So this is our app demo. If you have any questions on the Android platform, please do mention us. So now I'll quickly show
Mm-hmm.
how the app looks in the
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu. So I'm just showing the UI part here. As I mentioned, the functionality is not yet. So this is an desktop application built with
Yes.
Electron. So you can use some Rushi. You can use some details on that.
Yes.
I'm telling Sonu because sometimes I call him Sonu because he's close to me. So users, please don't confuse. Yeah,
That's fine,
yeah,
Sunny.
Rushi.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So in mobile platforms, like we have three tabs. One is for tools, and one is for files, and one is my conversion tab.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In the same way, we need to do the same things in desktop too. So I went to the similar UI.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but in
So.
desktops we will
Mm-hmm.
not keep tabs because it'll look weird at the bottom. That will be
Mm-hmm.
very lengthy, and we'll have only three buttons like tools, files, and my conversion. That's why I came up with this sidebar.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, like as
Mhm.
usual, in the tools page we'll have. Can you please on that? Can you click on the tools, Funny?
Yeah, I'm just keeping this aside. So
Yes,
as you know, what is like is here it is like a layout is bit different. So
yes,
here it is a tab layout and here it is a sidebar
sidebar
layout.
layout. Yes.
Yeah. So tools. Yeah.
The tools page we have a button, a card or button called as like convert, and if
Mm,
you click on that and if you select choose from file, then
yeah.
it will display the files what you have.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Okay, and yeah, coming to the files page,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
yeah,
So
and
we can
also
convert.
yes,
Yeah.
and also you can
So
convert that. But as of now, we haven't included the
yeah.
backend. That's why
Mm,
we cannot convert the file. Okay.
yeah.
Now coming to the files page, yes, this is where you can select your file
Correct.
and you can add them to the MultiMagix desktop app.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
from here you need to follow the same flow which we showed in the Android.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember whether that flow has been implemented or not.
Yeah. So
Okay.
first we need to go to the files tab, add the
Yes, we need to add the file.
assume there are no files here and need to add the
Exactly.
file, and
Yes.
then we need to go to the tool section, click
Yes.
convert and then
Convert
convert, and then output will be in the my conversion
my
folder.
conversion folder. Yes.
Yeah, here the layouts are bit up and down, but
Yes.
don't worry, this is like we'll align it properly.
Yes, we will fix the
Yeah,
responsiveness.
our
Yes.
main focus is to ensure integration is done and the entire product is up
Exactly.
in the desktop, then we'll worry about the minor changes.
Exactly. But viewers,
Hmm.
please keep this in mind. If you observe in Linux,
Hmm.
the first card, like the margin top for the first card went to negatives. If you observe, like that is like you can see that funny. The name is not visible of the first card,
I got it.
right?
This layout
But
is bit,
when
yeah.
it comes to Mac OS X, I'll show you. The name will be visible.
Sure. Yeah,
Like
I think when
just
we
please keep
when
this in mind. Like if you are trying to develop a single app to multiple platforms, the source code will respond differently for each platform. So yes,
hmm.
that's
I
why
think we'll put a different video
yes.
where deploying a single UI
Mm-hmm.
for multiple platforms using React, and
Yes,
on top of that, what other additional things you have bring in like Electron or any other things. So we can
exactly.
make up a different video on how to challenges you faced and how you resolved it.
Yes,
Maybe we can
exactly.
collaborate there. But for now, it is good that at least some decent space we are in for the desktop applications apart
Yes,
from the mobile
yes,
Android. And then
yes, yes.
yeah. So next we'll jump on to
Mac OS X.
macOS and iOS.
So yes, guys, like as Funny showed you the desktop app and the Android app. So now we are looking into the desktop app in Mac OS X. Okay.
Oh, that's great, Ruchi. Actually, before going into the details of this macOS application,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
actually what I know is deploying or developing any application related to media or multimedia.
Mm-hmm.
It's a bit tough for macOS platform as well as iOS platform. And I'm not 100% sure what are the challenges, but I heard from
Yeah,
various sources and even from you in a lot of meetings, like
exactly.
a lot of media dependencies, a lot of packages internally. Mac controls a lot of tools like this. So maybe you can quickly talk about a little 1 or 2 minutes on that thing, and then maybe then you can go into the five
Definitely,
stars.
definitely funny. Thank you to note
First of
the
all,
point.
yeah, a very big. If all viewers, we should appreciate Rishi
Yeah.
here because this is not a straightforward thing, and as a team, we are also very happy. We are able to
Hmm.
deploy this app to the Mac also. I mean, in the currently we are about to. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Rishi. Yeah, no, go ahead about.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that. But
Mhm.
it's a teamwork, guys. It's a teamwork. So yes,
Yeah.
coming to the question what you asked, Funny. The main problem for the macOS development is the lack of sources.
Okay.
You cannot assume that if you want to build a FFmpeg library or if you want to compile the MP3 lame library,
hmm
you have number of sources for Android, Ubuntu and all. But coming to this Mac OS and iOS, you'll find it very rarely. Like if you want to say me the number, like for 100% you'll find only 2% of the sources.
Oh,
Like
okay.
you
Okay.
need to you need to have a reference if you want to learn something, right?
Mm,
So but without any reference, how can without any reference or without any proper documentation, you need to
mhm,
find your own way. If you touch anything, that will be new to you.
mhm.
Whatever you're working on to, that will be very new to you. That's why it took a lot of time to develop the app and desktop app for iOS and macOS platform.
Yeah, that's good, Rishi. You
Yes,
have figured out all the dependencies and then you were
yes,
able to
yes.
crack that.
Okay.
And then, yeah, so it looks like here and there few layouts again will correct, but good that
Yes,
on Mac OS we are able to bring this React plus Electron application, which is our MultiMagix application.
yes,
And then,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, maybe you can quickly
So
walk through what
yeah,
is inside the.
exactly.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
coming to the file
Similarly,
section,
yeah,
you can see the files which
yeah.
have been
Now it is
displaying here.
properly aligned here. Good,
Yes.
good, good. Yeah.
So see, there will be some like the same source code will not work in the same way for all platforms. You need to do you need to do some modifications with respect to the specific platforms.
Yeah, that rendering might be a bit
Exactly.
different, I
Exactly.
think. Yeah.
So coming to these files, like you can see the list of files which is in
hmm
the left side in my Finder window. If you can observe,
Correct, correct.
like we
So
have
this
these files.
this folder is specific to this particular MultiMagix, and then yeah. So
Hmm.
okay, all the files in this directory are showing here, and then all
Yes,
the converted files will be in the my conversion
my
folder.
conversion
Correct.
file. Yes.
So
So
yeah, maybe you can
like
walk through
this
one
is a
at a time.
development version, so I kept the folders locally to for the demonstration purpose.
Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you can continue.
So yes. So if I click on this 133s.mp4 file,
hmm
like the flow and working is same for Linux, mobile, and I mean the desktop apps and the mobile. Like in the as
hmm
you have
hmm
seen in the mobile apps, like we have the tools, files, and my conversion.
hmm
And in the tools page, we'll click on the convert, and in the
hmm
files page, we'll add the files.
hmm
Okay, and in the my conversion page, we'll see the files which have been converted.
hmm
Okay, so coming to the files, if I click on this 133s.mp4,
hmm
so if I click on this select from tools,
Okay.
okay,
So this will
it
go
will
to
go to
the
this
tools
page.
page. Yes, with that
And
file selected. Okay.
exactly, so if you press on convert, and it will ask you to which format you can have to convert.
Mm. So
Like
currently we are supporting
currently we
only
are
AAC
supporting the
file.
AAC file, so that's why I
Yeah.
pressed on convert. So yes, if you observe, we got
Mm.
a new file in the my conversion in the left Finder
Yeah.
window.
On the disk it is there, and the same time it is showing in the UI. Correct.
Exactly.
Correct.
So yes, and coming to the like to summarize this,
I think I
we
noticed one thing here in the desktop application.
hmm
Preview is not there. I think right. So we
yes,
need to add that preview in the later part once.
exactly. I'm coming to that point only, funny. You know,
Sorry. hmm
in macOS, we what we did till now is we made sure that our main conversion feature or the core logic has been implemented in this macOS desktop platform.
hmm
Now we have to do these UI modifications, like you need to play the selected file, you need to display the
Yeah.
video file which you selected. Yeah, those things and all will be soon
Mhm.
implemented and will be, yeah, will,
Yeah.
and also we'll also upload this macOS desktop app to the like test light or beta testing, and then we'll
Yeah.
keep updating. Okay.
Yeah. That's really a great job, Rishi.
So yes guys, now coming to the iOS app, I installed the MultiMagix app using the test flight. Okay, so let me open the app once. So yes, this is the initial screen when the app launches. Okay, so yes, you can see that we have the video tools and we have the bottom tabs. Like in the bottom tabs, the first tab is tools page and the second tab is files page and the third tab is my conversion page. Okay, so first what we'll do is in the files tab, we'll select a video file. Okay, so yes, if I click on that plus button, I'll select a file from device and I am selecting the bun33s.mp4, and you can observe that like there is a toggle, but there is a toggle card where you have to click on the settings icon and you have to select that like you need to convert it, right? So you need to select the tool from the tools page. Okay, so if I click on the convert video, like see, we selected a video and that is playing. Okay, so let me pause it for a moment and I need to choose a output format which is AAC. So yes, let's place on the convert button and let's wait for the magic happens. Okay, so see, we got an AAC file and the time is 1924 and you can see that on the top left corner, and yes, we can play that. So that way we can like get some confirmation, right? So yes, the audio file is playing. So let me close the audio, and if you click on this share, you can also share that to like different people. Like you can share that or you can save that to files. Okay, yep, that's all for the iOS app. Okay,
I
Yeah.
think, yeah, viewers. One thing we will ensure, like, here and there some uniformity is not there across the application. So
Exactly.
we'll try to achieve the uniformity. I mean, whatever layout, whatever previews, everything will be look as it is in all the platforms. We'll try to
Exactly.
maintain that
Exactly.
uniformity in the coming
Exactly.
days.
Exactly.
But for now, we are good. Like we are able to at least up in a clean manner from end to end. We are able to make this Multimagic application up for different platforms.
Exactly.
Yeah. On that note,
So as I
we
told you, as we told in the starting that we need to like what left in macOS 6 is we need to package
yeah,
this app for the
packaging.
production.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
After that, we'll
So
be in a good shape, I guess.
yeah, I think that's all for today's video. And then thank you for the feedback. And
Yes.
then please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions and queries, please do reach out
Yes.
in the comment section, or you can go to our blog and reach to us. Yeah,
Yes.
keep watching space for more videos.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah.